During the first week of October 2022, we welcome over 60 attendees to a functional analysis and operator theory South Africa, which took place at Berg-en-Dal rest camp in the beautiful Kruger National Park in South Africa. The aim of the workshop was to bring together a mix of mathematicians from both the South African and international functional analysis communities in order to foster discussion and collaboration. A unique feature of this year's event was the inclusion of 2 mini-courses which ran during the workshop. These mini-courses were aligned with topics from the Functional Analysis Master's course, which were done earlier in the year. The workshop was a fantastic success and drew a number of postgraduates and academics, including researchers from as far afield as Tunisia, the UK, Slovenia, Indonesia, and others.
I chose to attend this conference as it presented opportunities for me to meet some of the researchers who I was familiar with from my own research, whose names I saw on many papers. I also had an opportunity to present my most recent research at the conference.
To be in an environment where you can interact with other mathematicians face to face and then also see old friends was, I think, the main motivation. But not going to lie, being able to go to the Kruger Park was also a big draw card.
That I got to network with fellow colleagues from other South African universities as well as international experts. The Tunisian guests that joined us at the workshop also worked at WITS for 2 weeks after the workshop. It makes you thankful, it teaches you new things, so yes, definitely valuable.
It was the first opportunity for me to know people from South Africa, from Ljubljana, from America. There's a very interesting variety of people.
So there were 2 mini courses. So the main aim was to give firstly a broad overview of that particular research area, but then also to look at some of the approaches and techniques used in that setting.
It opens your eyes to see that the world in your own particular field is quite broad. I came across some names who I did not know the person during my own research, but then I met them at the conference and they provided opportunities for us to do further research in future.
My topic was interesting for some people, so it will help me to work and to have a collaboration. And I attend many interesting lectures that are related to my research topic.
It's also an opportunity to learn the structures within your university. It opens your way of thinking about the university as a business.
My advice to anybody considering attending a workshop like this would be to go for it. Typically there is funding available for postgraduate students and early career academics, so make use of those opportunities.
We have decided once again to take academics out of the concrete jungles to a rural area for the 2023 workshop. We are expecting to have 2 mini courses and 8 plenary speakers, and space is limited. We look forward to seeing you.